Joining the Uber Freight network is easy. Download our app to your mobile device. Tap Create Account and enter your mobile phone number. You will be texted a 4-digit confirmation code. Next, enter your work email address. This will be your username associated with your account. Create a password and then enter your name. You'll then select one of 4 user types. Choose the one that best describes your role. Next, select the type of equipment you use most often. Enter your USDOT number. You may be asked to check your email to verify your carrier. Thoroughly review the Uber Freight carrier contract and payment terms. After you agree to the contract, you will receive a confirmation email and a copy of the contract for your records. That's it. You're now ready to use Uber Freight. If you were unable to complete the sign-up process, don't worry. You'll receive an email outlining next steps.